friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel CE Success. In this video we are going to see building construction step-by-step process. Building a construction step involved in any type of construction is not an easy task. It requires a lot of efforts and investment. Care should be taken in building construction process. Before planning, building construction project must consider important aspects like purpose of construction, utility, financial proficiency, and demand for work, etc. Following are the steps involved in building construction. Pre-construction step to buy land or plot, to seek technical help, prepare estimation and budget, permission from authorities, approach a builder, to acquire land or plot. It is a most important step in building construction. Search for a location for the building which is the best suited for building construction purpose. Be careful while selecting land which has all and desired facilities available nearby and should be free from all land related issues. To seek technical help, after selecting proper land for building, take the help of a professional architect to create a building design. An architect prepare a plan as per building requirement, number of flats, shop based on your requirements and budget. Then after architect consult with an structural engineer for detail of the reinforcement to be used, how deep your foundation will be, the size of the gravel to be used, pillar width, etc. Preparing estimate and budget. Building construction involves a huge amount of material and budget. After planning and structural detailing completed, these details are transferred to the building estimator. The building estimator will estimate the material quantity, quality of different items of work and prepare an abstract sheet that showed the cost of the building construction. Permission from authorities. This is the important work to do after project is ready to be executed. For that we have to take permission from local municipal body before you go for the construction. First one is land survey. The next is soil test report of the land. Next is land document. Next architecture elevation or sectional drawing. Next one is structural report. And last one is architect certificate. Approach a builder. A builder or contractor for construction must be chosen carefully because it is a major factor for securing building construction quality and timely construction of work. Pre-investigation must be done about the builder before handling work. In contract document, all work related details must be clearly stated. The contract document should cover layout and work detail along the payment method, time, scale and cost. The condition of the contractor should be thoroughly checked before signing a final deal.